Hi everyone, welcome back to Brick Design Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be adding roads to our new LEGO city. I started out by building an example MILS road plate. For those of you who don't know, MILS stands for Modular Integrated Landscaping System. This plate is kind of a standard I've seen several other LEGO builders use, but for our city, we'll be changing it slightly. As you can see, we raised it up an extra brick, and for this segment also moved the road over a few studs. This I hope will allow for more building area for actual structures. With the design complete, it was time to build a lot more of these roads, so I set up a sort of building station and built as many basic MILS roads as I thought we would need for the main thoroughfare in the city. If you're wondering why I'm building the MILS roads on top of old LEGO road base plates, it's because these are basically all the base plates we have. Luckily, we have a bunch of these, so we can use them for all of our MILS plates. One of the main reasons we just don't use the base plates themselves is because MILS plates allow for more flexibility and customization. For example, we could not build a 45-degree angle road with the base plates, but with MILS it is possible, and you will see that later in the video. After a lot of repetitive building, I finally finished most of the roads and began laying them out. To connect them, I used 2x4 tiles. I did forget to build another crossroad, so I did that here. Because I made a slight offset to the other MILS roads, I had to build this crossroad over 2 base plates to prevent any modified 16x16 bricks, the large dark gray tiles, from hanging over, and after that was finished, the main thoroughfare was complete. I added this shorter road here, and because the colorful plates we used for the structure of the sidewalk were really bothering me at this point, I decided to go ahead and start the process of tiling off the sidewalk. Because we hope to do more landscaping in our city, I just added some green plates here to represent grass temporarily, and also, we didn't have enough gray tile to cover the whole sidewalk. But I do think the grass does make it look a bit more interesting. And now it's time to begin building the road segment that I've been both excited and worried about. Building with 45-degree angles is hard in my opinion. It can often be hard to know whether or not you are building past the limit of the pressure the bricks can take, simply because you're building at an angle. It took a lot of trial and error, but I was eventually able to find a design that worked. Because there was a slight space between the angle road and the normal road, I added tiles which fit perfectly in the space. The thing is, I didn't really like how the curve of the sidewalk looked with the wedge plates, so I ended up changing it. Can you see the difference? I added an extra stud to each side of the road to create a better curb for the sidewalk. This did mess up the spacing between the 45-degree angle road and the plates that were built normally. I tried to fix this by adding tiles along the side in the gap, but it isn't perfect. Eventually I might change this, I don't know. For now, I think it works. After that, I finished adding tiles to the curb. By this point, we were running low on them, but we had just enough to finish the outside of the sidewalk. I also added plates to the area remaining on the large MILS 45-degree angle road. Eventually, we will make this a sort of small park or open area for people of the city to gather. And that's the end of this city update. Hope you enjoyed. Watch out for the next one. Hopefully we'll publish it soon. I know it took us a while to post this city update. Thanks for watching.